Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, Facebook Live Day, and today I want to talk about some money that's sitting on the table for anyone who shares their Young Living kit with somebody else. So that's the starter kit that, I should bring it out, hey? Let's see. I have one here. I do. So if you got one of these starter kits in your journey at any point in time, which has your 11 essential oils along with a diffuser. If you love it and you end up talking to somebody else about it and they end up wanting one, did you know that Young Living will give you a about a $65 referral bonus check for doing that? And lots of companies around are doing that now. If you use a referral code and things like that, then you can earn maybe 10% off your next order or something like that. But this by far is the most that I've ever seen for referring and sharing something that you love with somebody else. So the way that it works is it's around $65, between $60 and $65. I don't have the exact figure for you, but let's just say 60, or maybe it's $62.50. Sorry, I should have checked. I'm going to say 60, and then for sure I think I've got it correct. So when you share and you say, I love these oils, do you want to get some oils? Somebody says yes. You have a referral code that you can send to them. If you don't have your own referral code, I can send it to you. It's really easy to generate one from your virtual office. And maybe I'll try and show you how to do that as well, how to generate your code, because it's very, very helpful to have that so you can give that to somebody else. And basically it just fills in the form when somebody is going in to open an account. It fills it in with your details in there already, so they don't have to ask you for that. It's already there. So they order their starter kit and it comes, and then you as long as you have, so your requirements are that you put in a minimum 50 PV order. So if you're on Essential Rewards, that's going to be happening anyway. And that's it. So as long as you push a 50 PV order in the same month that somebody else purchased their starter kit, then you're good. You're going to get that check. Now, if that person also likes Essential Rewards like you do, and they put in Essential Rewards order for the next 3 months, or for 3 consecutive months, so in month 1 is their kit, month 2 can be maybe some oregano and some thieves cleaner, month 3 might be, let's say they want some geranium and some deep relief and something else. Stress away. Oh, you need stress away and valor. Those are, I've got something in my eye. I'm really sorry. Oh dear. So let's say they put 3 consecutive orders in. You're going to get 25% of their PV in cash back to you as well. So it's not just the first month that you'll get that $65, but you have the opportunity to earn a bit more cash for the next 3 months as well. 25%. So it works out to be a pretty nice little bonus that lasts for 3 months. And then after that, it drops down to, I believe, 8%. So as long as you're still putting in your order and they're still doing their ER order, you're still going to make a percentage off of what their order is. Now, for that first month, that starter kit, $65, minimum PV you need to do is 50. After that, to get your bonuses, you need to be doing 100 PV. So let's say somebody, so your friend in month 1, she buys hers, and then month 2, she finds somebody else and they want a kit too. You will receive 10% on that second person's starter kit as well. So in order to get that extra 10%, you do need to place a 100 PV order. So that is the baseline really that we want to be aiming for, is a 100 PV order every month, so that you get those bonuses that come that are further down, not just right close to you. So I always aim every month to do a minimum 100 PV, and that never changes. That's always going to be the minimum, whether you refer 1 kit to somebody or whether you refer 10 kits or 100 kits. It doesn't matter. That 100 PV is going to be the base that you will need to do to receive your bonus commission checks from Young Living. So remember that if you are doing a 50 PV and you're totally happy with that and you never ever share with anybody, or the odd time you share, 50 PV is great, but if you're like, well, you know, I see that there's a bit more interest here, and there's a few more people that are purchasing the kit, and then people underneath them are purchasing kits, then you want to aim for that 100 PV. Now, how can you make that 100 PV? If you're saying, well, that's a lot, I'm not going to use that many oils, or how do I make that up? Well, just start sharing again with people and say, I'm putting in an essential oil or order. Does anyone need a lavender? So that might be somebody who doesn't have a kit yet and just likes to use a little bit of oils here and there, and start introducing them to some Young Living oils and say, just add on to my order, jump in on my order, and maybe I won't charge you shipping, or give them some kind of incentive that way, so that they're helping to build your order up. I also use it for gifts, so I look ahead and see whose birthdays are coming up, or who I want to celebrate, and I will get some oils on hand that way. I also use my oils for trading. So if I have, if somebody else has a goods or service that they are willing to trade, then I will offer them essential oils. So I've done some pretty fantastic things with trades. I did a full face makeup, artist makeup for a show. What was it? It was a dress up event that I went to, and getting fancy makeup done is kind of a luxury. And so I thought, well, how can I get this done? So I traded her actually a diffuser and a couple of oils for the makeup, and it was awesome because we both got things that we wanted, and it kind of avoided the tax situation a little bit, and it was really fun that way. So just think outside the box as to that 100 PV. How can you get that? So start trading, start just sharing one or two oils with somebody, use them for gifts, and move outside of the oils too. So there's lots of oils available, but there's also the whole Thieves line, which we use in our household. So we use the Thieves cleaner, the Thieves laundry detergent, dish soap, toothpaste, dental floss. So all those things you can start replacing from things that you normally would buy in the grocery store. You can also start using your bonuses. So the $65 bonus that you got, you can start investing that back into the 100 PV order if you like, or go and spend it on yourself. Go to hot springs or go have a massage or something like that, because it's kind of bonus money. And there is no limit. You can refer as many people as you want every month. There's no limit. Young Living is not going to say, okay, that's it. You've already had $650, or 60. Sorry, we're going with 60. So we've already given you $600 for 10 people you shared with. That's it. You're done. No, it doesn't. There's no limit. So you can keep sharing and keep referring, and keep sharing that code with other people. You are also welcome to invite people to our classes, and we have one coming up in the beginning of May, so I'll be launching the details about that. And I think we're going to make deodorant. It's that time of year, and it's been a while since we've done a class on deodorant making, so we're going to do that in early May, a deodorant making class. And any other requirements of that? So this is kind of like skimming the surface of what the income opportunities are with Young Living. You can consider this an income opportunity. You can just consider this a special bonus. Consider this something that, well, you know, I could use an extra $60, so let's just see if I have a friend who would like what I'm really enjoying. And share your stories. That's also really helpful. Share your stories. Share your success with what has been working for you with your oils. And people are looking for options. They're not always wanting to just head to the medical doctor, and there's other options to support that system as well. So did I miss anything? Is there any other requirements? I think that's it. So just put your order in and share away and watch for a check in the mail. Oh, if you don't want to wait for your check, so checks usually come out towards after the 20th of the month, probably like more around the 23rd, towards the end of the month, when they're mailed out. If you want your check sooner, like on the 17th, then you can do direct deposit, and that can be set up right in your virtual office. So if you want to do that, let me know. And Tanya's liking that because I love to have that check right away. I don't want to wait for it. So I want it as soon as it's available, and then it's in my bank account and I know it's ready to go. So if you don't know how to do the direct deposit, just message me or leave me a comment below, and I will walk you through how to do that. And if you would like your code, to learn how to generate your code, your referral code, let me know and I can help you with that. And just watch for the money. Yes, $60 coming to you. and I love that. I love getting that little check every month because I shared. So that's my tip for you today. And it is snowing buckets, and it's April 12th. And last year I was planting in my garden already. Okay, find the joy. I will see you all soon, and I hope you are enjoying wherever you are in the world today. Chat soon. Bye-bye.